To break up, idiom. Imagine a couple who decides that they are better off apart than together. The idiom to break up means to end a romantic relationship. It can also mean to disperse a group or to shatter something into pieces. Examples: end a relationship. After years together, they decided to break up because they had grown apart. Dispersing a group. The party was getting loud, so the neighbors called the police to break up the gathering. Shattering into pieces. The ice began to break up as the temperature rose, creating smaller chunks in the river. Appreciate you spending time with me. Until next time.